Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my everyday easy and delicious iced coffee. So all you're going to need is any brand of coffee, and this brand is unsweetened, a creamer, and a cup with ice. So you guys, for the ice, you can add how much ice you like, and the coffee as well. You can pour as much coffee as you like, but I'm going to pour it to there. So you guys, this is how much coffee I like, and yeah, for the creamer, you can use, like I said, any brand, but this is the one I love. Just make sure you shake it before you add it to your coffee, and once it's shake, just add it. And just a reminder, this creamer is caramel macchiato and is a very kind of sweet, so just be careful on how much you add. So you guys, this is my iced coffee. It's my everyday iced coffee, and it's super easy, and it's very delicious. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.